You guys are living in a bubble. DJs are living in this bubble. I do want to talk about one thing. 916 Junglist in the building. People keep talking in the chat on the video about, yo, man, you should just bring a tent. Yo, man, stop. Stop talking about that. First off, in my video, I was pretty clear that party planners don't want that to happen. Here's the thing. My clients, I'm not your typical low-end backyard wedding, all those things company. My clients spend easily $40,000 to $100,000 on an event. They hire high-end party planners. Everything they want is like money is no object. Get it done. The last thing they want to see is my check 1-2 tent sitting above my DJ stuff. They don't want to see that. They don't even want to see poles. How many times have you gone in? This is what high-end party planners will do. Oh, do you need to have those speakers out there? Can you move those somewhere else? They're messing with my decor and my visuals. Yeah, you kind of need speakers. They're kind of important for DJs. That's why anytime I bring my Bose, the L1, they're in love with me. They're like, oh my God, this is perfect. Thank you. Thank you for bringing this. I kid you not. Yeah, that's the one selling point to the Bose. Party planners love it. So you're not going to be able to convince them that your decor is better than them. So just get over that. People stop saying bring your own tents. I put it in my contract that I need to bring tent. You can put anything you want in your contract. That doesn't mean that they're going to follow it. Okay? Contracts are made to be broken. Contracts are made to be bent. And they can say, yeah, you can bring your own tent, but your tent better look like everything behind me. Your tent better be the same color as the other things that I got going on. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's black. Oh, it's brown. Oh, no, sorry. You're not using that here. You know, this is what I'm talking about DJs. We brought this up earlier about DJs knowing everything. You guys got to stop telling people what it is. I'm going to do this and it's in my contract. And so what? It doesn't matter. Look, it can be in your contract if you're doing, bullshit budget stuff. Then it doesn't matter. If I go to do a school event, I'm like, I'm bringing my tent. Oh, I'm on the street, I'm bringing my tent. But the moment you start introducing high-end events, the moment you start getting into real money events, what you say and what your opinion is goes out the door. Goes out the door. You guys are living in a bubble. DJs are living in this bubble of, oh, I live here, so this is what I do and what I only do. Fine. But get outside that bubble. Ask Jason Janai from SCE, how many times he's brought his own tent to an event with the amount of with the clientele that he has. Stop. This is my problem with us DJs. This is my problem. You think you know more. The only reason why I can say this is because I experience it, because that is my clientele. Now, if it's a lower dollar clientele, I can be like, oh, I need to bring this or whatever. And they're thinking, well, it's just going to save me money if you bring yours. So go ahead and do that. I don't care. High-end clients are like, why would I want, what? High-end clients don't even want to see facades, which is why they bring their own booths, which is why they bring their own setups. I have a booth for you. My booth matches my decor. And I'm not even talking about furniture, like DJ furniture. You could have some DJ furniture and you could put that in and they'll be like, this is great, but it doesn't match my decor. So get rid of it. Use my stuff. You are, you're a vendor. Stop acting like you're the client. You are a vendor. Okay? Everybody thinks, oh, yes, you own your own company. More power to you. I own my own company. Yeah, I'm the man. I'm the boss. I'm still a vendor. You understand what a vendor is? You're not in charge. You want to think you are. You want to think you're more powerful than you are. You know who's in charge? The party planner. You know who's in charge? The client. And the more money that a client spends The more money that a client gives the party planner, the less control you have. It's God's to honest facts. I've had clients, we get a lot of clients that book directly. They book us directly. So they call us, they book us, and everything is set up. We're all done. Great. Okay, we're going to do this. We're going to do that. 6 months later, they're like, oh, hey, I'm the party planner for this event that you booked 6 months ago. I need to see everything that you sold this client because we're gonna remove some things. They get it. Take this off. Take this off. Take this off. We're gonna provide this. We're gonna provide this. But wait, I have a contract. So you understand what I'm saying? And you can tell the client, hey, I just want to let you know that you signed this contract and all of this stuff you're responsible to pay. And they're gonna be like, no, I'm not. And if you try to make me pay, I'm going to tell everybody I know about you.